Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Are Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 47. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the story. Xian and Lu Shishao. Xian has been aggressive and right now she already pinning down Lu Shishao. Looking at Mother Lu, she is not restraining herself, although she was only looking at Xian. She is frowning, but still, she was calling Xian on her name. Well, what will happen? What will Xian's gonna do to her? Is she going to tease her again? Xian said to her, "You finally took the initiative to call me by my name." Oh, looking at this girl, she seems to be so much happy. Well, of course, teaching Lucy Xiao, provoking her, it really makes happy. Xian, she seems to be happy, but looking at Lucy Xiao right now, she already froze. Probably she was thinking. To her, I can feel that you grew up in a very good environment. In addition to material things, you are also very rich on spiritually. That's why Lu Shishao said to her, and Xian answered, words and deeds and clothing and conversation attitude towards doing things. Lu Shishao trying to say to her, but right now, you even hold the whole world. Your face is full of desires to explore. Sense of security that comes naturally to you when you speak and act. Oh, is she pertaining that Xian is really different from her? These things are precious treasures that many people can hardly. You are very happy and I sincerely wish you happiness all the time. Oh, Xian was asking her, what do you mean by that? Well, it's a long talk by Lu Shishao and Xian's trying to figure out what she's really mean to. Right now, let's say that we are not from the same place. Oh, this is sad. Lu Shishao seems that she's going to reject Xian. But right now, looking at her, Xian, she is suddenly speechless. Of course, hearing this, she knows that she is clearly rejected by Lu Shishao. Well, this is really sad. The two of them still standing. No one is moving or talking. Well, probably, last words is really hard to sink in. But right now, Xian, she seems to be sad. She was asking her, is it true? Well, Xian, looking at her face, she would say no, but right now she said yes. Hearing these words, of course, it's really meant for her, but right now, everything is gonna end up. Xian said to her, okay, I get it. Now she's waving her hand, and it's indications that she's giving up. Well, for now, Xian turned back and said to her, but one day you will. Oh, this is the sad day. Probably Xian must really hurt by this. All the efforts are being taken for granted. Now, everything feels so sad from them. Xian goes out. Now, it was Lucy Xiao's laughter. It seems that she's been blown off and feeling at loss. Well, Xian is always there for her. But right now, everything's taken for granted. And it was really nonsense. Lucy Xiao was being hard to her. Right now, she's questioning herself. Why? Well, right now, did she have a remorse? She said hurtful things to her. Right now, it seems that she's going to have a headache. Well, Lucy Xiao seems to be sad also. But what is done is done. And right now, Xian, she really goes out on the other way. Well, finally, she was at home. When she entered the house, she was calling Nunu and said, I'm back. After finishing taking a bath and so on, finally the two of them are on the room. And the two of them are talking to each other. Nunu seems to be the water is so dull and the mountains and the islands are so dense. Right now, Lu Shishao, she was still in trance. Well, probably. She was listening to Nunu, but right now, her mind is in another world. She was thinking about Xian. Oh, right now, is she thinking that it was really an accident, but What about her? After procrastinating for so long, I finally made it clear today. Oh, this is it. Right now, she thinks to herself that she became free. She was only thinking of her, and only thinking of her from this moment. Starting tomorrow, there will be no hugs or kisses. Oh, maybe did she really mean that? She will not miss Sian, especially her hug and kiss. Sudden surprise for her. There will be no more unnecessary thoughts. We can finally get along with each other like a normal friends. Well, this is it. Yes, just be an ordinary friends. Well, we can see this. Trying to be a normal friend, well, Nunu suddenly said to her, Mom, I finished memorizing it. Okay, Nunu is awesome. Hehe, Teacher C also praised me last time. I was pleased on the fact. Sai, where do you want to go during the Chinese New Year? Nunu said to her, Seaside. So Nunu wants the vacations on seaside. We are in the coastal city here. If you want to see, you can do it anytime. There should be a tropical forest like sea with many small islands where you can go fishing. Well, it really makes sense. Nunu really wants to go on vacation, and she was pertaining with a sea with small islands and a lot of tropical rush. Talking endlessly about Sian and her agreement. I prefer this for you. I will wear this when I take the photo. But she will take photos. She will be the model. Well, remembering Sian again, few minutes, she was clearly said that two of them become friends, but right now she remembered. Let's take Teacher C with us. Teacher C said she agreed to take a photos for you during a Chinese New Year. Yes, I agreed to be the model for Sian. I can go back on my word, but it just happened that, well, right now, the little kid, and I promised Teacher C that you will agree to take her there. Lu Shishao seems to be puzzled and said, Nunu, you. Right now, at the first move, and the little kid is only backing her off. And it really makes sense to her right now, helping Teacher C to come closer to her. Now, Lu Shishao can do anything but just to think Sian. Now, it's been messed up on her mind. As a normal friend, why? Everything is all about Sian and Sian. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can join by clicking the join membership button, or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!